So you want to harness the power of the sun and save some serious cash? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the solar installation process in 7 easy steps. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Assessment. Our team will visit your home to assess your energy needs. Step 2. Design. We'll create a customized solar system design that maximizes energy production and fits seamlessly with your home's aesthetics. Step 3. Permits. Don't worry about the paperwork. We'll handle all the necessary permits and approvals to ensure a smooth installation process. Step 4. Installation. Our expert technicians will install the solar panels on your roof, connecting them to your electrical system. Step 5. Inspection. We'll arrange for a thorough inspection to ensure everything is up to code and functioning optimally. Step 6. Activation. It's time to activate your solar system and start generating clean, renewable energy. Step 7. Monitoring. You'll have access to real-time monitoring, allowing you to track your energy production and savings. Ready to make the switch? Contact us today and let's get started.